What if I told you a single AI system replaced an entire marketing team, from content writing to campaign management? Sounds impossible. Well, it's already happening. In 2025, small startups and even mid-size companies are ditching expensive teams for lean, AI-powered workflows that do the job of 5-10 people. Let's break it down. A company called Quick Launch AI ran a 3-month test. ChatGPT handled blogs, newsletters, and emails. Midjourney plus Canva AI handled visuals. Jasper AI ran copywriting A/B tests. Surfer SEO optimized it all for Google. Zapier automated the posting workflow. The result? A 70% increase in content output, with 80% lower cost. This isn't about replacing humans entirely. It's about scaling smarter. Most companies are keeping a tiny core team and letting AI handle the grunt work. If your skills aren't AI augmented yet, you risk falling behind, fast. Start learning the tools and workflows. It's not just the future, it's the now. Don't forget to subscribe. Every day, we break down the real AI trends shaping work, life, and money. Stay smart, stay ahead. See you in the next video.